Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your game overlay settings on Discord. So if you go to user settings here, you can just go to game overlay. But first I want to go to registered registered games. So as you can see, I have The Sims 4, Roblox, Osu, Valorant, and Adobe Illustrator. It's not really a game, but for instance, you don't want any overlay to be on when you're playing this like Valorant, and I have it on, so I'm just going to turn it off so the kind of like overlay won't be displayed here, but I'm just going to enable it. You can then go to game overlay. I have mine like enabled in game overlay, and I have the avatar size too large. I also have the display names only while speaking, but I think I like it as always. But whenever whenever the channel is crowded, I don't really like having a lot of names. So maybe just select this one, or even like never. And you can also like display it either on the left, on the right, bottom left, or on the bottom right, or disable it. This is just for notifications, but I don't even have notifications enabled, so yeah. But I think I like overlay notifications to be here, but I don't have notifications on at all on Discord, so yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!